Hi guys, welcome back to Rashtra Delight. I'm Soumya. Today I'm gonna make a lip-smacking tamarind chutney, also known as imli chutney. This is super yummy and goes with a variety of savory snacks. You can add it in your chaat recipes, vada, salads, lentils, literally in anything you want. So let's get started. For tamarind chutney, here I have taken half cup tamarind. Now there are several kinds of tamarind available in the market. You need to take the ripe and seedless tamarind, see, like this. If you don't get the seedless ones, no worries, you can easily chuck out all the seeds, but at least make sure it should be ripe enough. So now let's start making. The very first step is to boil the tamarind. So take some water in a pan and drop in all the tamarind into it, like this. Then once it reaches the boiling temperature, start stirring it. So guys, if you don't have time, you need not to boil the tamarind. You can just soak them in some hot water or boiling water for around 15 to 20 minutes. But try and boil it because that way you will get the best results. So see, it has started boiling here. So we need to boil it for at least 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you will see that the water has nicely reduced and the tamarind has also become soft. So now at this point, switch off the gas and let it cool down completely. So guys, our tamarind has cooled down completely. So just take it in a blending jar. We need to blend it well. Add in some water into it, around half a cup, and then start blending it. Make sure guys that the tamarind should not be at all coarse. So just blend it into a fine paste. It's done here. So let me show you. See how nice and fine paste it is. This should be the consistency. It should not be at all coarse. Now next step is to strain it. So guys, remember, straining the pulp is very important because that way you will get rid of all the strands and you will get very smooth and nice pulp. So with the help of a spoon, strain it well like this. So that's it guys, our strained pulp is all ready now. Keep it aside and then take 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, let it be heated and then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When they change the color, add in asafoetida and then immediately add all the pulp into it. Also add in around 1 cup water. So what I did is I took 1 cup of water in the same blender jar and then I churned it so that all the pulp is nicely used up. Now allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, keep stirring it occasionally. Also keep in mind your flame should be at medium temperature. Now time to add in jaggery. So add around half cup jaggery into it. So the ratio of tamarind and jaggery is 1:1. Also add in 2 teaspoons of sugar into it. Now you might be wondering why jaggery and sugar both. So this is because sugar will help to balance out the sour flavor of both jaggery as well as tamarind. Now allow it to boil for around 5 minutes and then add in the dry spices. So in goes 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, then some cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add dried ginger powder, then some fennel powder, and in the last goes in some black salt. Now bring down the flame to low and let it boil for at least 5 minutes. So guys, it's been around 5 minutes and see, our chutney is almost ready. See how nice and smooth it has come out to be. So this should be the consistency. Now add in 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Toss it well. Now our chutney is all ready. So if you want a more thicker version, you can just boil it for some more time. But for me, this much is perfect because once it cools down, it will become way more thicker. Now switch off the gas and let's take it out in a vessel. So guys, our lip-smacking tamarind chutney is all ready. This comes out to be so delicious guys that you will end up licking your fingers. So just add it in anything you want and that will become way more delicious. This is equally sweet, sour, salty, spicy. You just name the flavor and it is in it. So make it this way at your homes and enjoy. So guys, if you enjoyed my recipe, please hit the like button and as usual, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and love you all. Bye bye.